create a new project in Premiere Pro. Click on Create a New Project. Here, name your project and click on Create. In this window, you can choose your footage or just skip it. Here you can drag and drop your footage. And you're good to go.